CapCut va traduire cette vidéo de l'anglais au français. Et avant qu'il ne le fasse, donc, veuillez vous abonner et laisser un commentaire dans la section des commentaires. So guys, that language you just heard right now is French, and I don't even know how to speak French at all. I did this with CapCut. This is the latest AI tools on CapCut that is actually blowing my mind. If there is any video that I actually want to watch or like I see people interacting to, and I feel like I want to understand what they are saying in the video, I just put it there and translate it. But this is not exactly how you are going to be using it. This time around, you're going to be using it to make money. So for you to be all able to reach other people with your video, other countries, different countries that cannot understand English, you can actually use this thing to translate your videos to their languages. All right, so I'm going to be going to CapCut to show you guys exactly how to do this. So we just need to come to CapCut. Yeah, so when you come to CapCut right here, you can see tools right here. You can just need to click all these all tools right here. Can you see these all tools right here? Tap on it, and once you tap on it, you need to scroll down, and you can see AI tools. All right, so these are the AI tools I have right now. So all you need to do is for you to come and click on this video translator. Can you see this video translator? You don't need to tap on it, and once you tap on it, you need to select the particular video that you want to translate. Right, so I just selected this video, but before I translate the video, I would just like to play so that you see the original video. CapCut is going to translate this video from English to French, and before they do that, please subscribe and drop a comment in the comment section. So right now you can see this video. I made this video in English, and currently I'm going to be translating this video to French. So what you need to do right here is for you to come to this language right here, and select the language that you want them to translate the video to. So I'm going to be selecting French right here, and after you selected French, this lip sync, you need to make sure that it actually selected. Why you need to select the lip sync is so that they will be able to sync your lips or with the video. All right, so you made the video in English, right? So which means that if the video is changed to French, your mouth is supposed to be different, but CapCut is going to lip sync the video. Like if people are watching it, they will feel like it's originally French. So your lips will not be like, I don't know if you watch some Netflix videos that you change the subtitle to another language, you see that their link most times don't sync well, but this particular one, they are going to make it to sync very well. So right now, after you've done that, the next thing you need to do is for you to come right here and click on this apply right here. And before then, I want to let you know that for you to do this, actually you need credit. So they are going to collect credit, and you can see this particular one, they say the estimate credit needed is 39 credit, and I have 1,200 credit left. Right, so I just need to click on this apply, and as you can see right now, they are waiting for translation. You can see they are waiting for translation right here. So most times it might take a little while, but you just need to wait for it to complete, then you now play. So once it complete, I will come back right here and show you guys. So right now CapCut is done, so let me play so that you guys can see. Okay, so CapCut va traduire cette vidéo de l'anglais au français. Et avant qu'il ne le fasse, donc, veuillez vous abonner et laisser un commentaire dans la section des commentaires. So what you need to do right now is for you to just export. You know how to export on CapCut. Just come up right here and tap on export, and your video is going to be exported. Easy peasy. You cannot make content for French people and make content in Spanish and different languages of the world. Right, so all you need to do is just to come to CapCut and do the same thing I did. Just do it. And what did I do? What I did earlier, let me actually take you guys back again, is to come to these all tools right here. Can you see this all tools? Tap on it, and you just need to scroll down to these AI tools and select this video translator, and boom, select the particular video you want to translate, and confirm, and bring it to right here, where you can see, and also make sure that lip sync is selected, and click on this apply. You're going to translate your video. Easy peasy, right? If you found this video very interesting, I would like you to hit the like button and drop a comment, and see you in my next video.